Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today's video is about how to add languages and currencies to your store. First of all, notice that you only have the possibility to add one language and one currency. But if you have a business or professional, you can add up to 3 or more languages and currencies. So, after you log into your store, go to Settings. Then click on Languages and Currencies. You will see now I have one language, which is English, and one currency, which is US dollar. If I want to add a new language, I'm just gonna click on Add Language, then select the language I want, for example, French, and click on Confirm. You will see that the French language has been added. If I want the French language to be the default, I'm just gonna click on Default button here, and it switches to be the default language of my store. The same thing with currencies. Click on Add Currency, select the currency you want, for example Euro, and click on Confirm. The same thing if you want the Euro to be the default currency, just click on Default, then after that click on Confirm. You have successfully added language and currency to your store. Thanks for watching and see you soon.